How to activate a free Auto SSL certificate. You can see here in the browser, my website designer page says not secure. The site isn't secure because HTTPS hasn't been set up yet. So let's see how to activate a free SSL certificate in GoDaddy. Once you log into GoDaddy, you need to click Manage button under Web Hosting section, which will take you to this page. Again here click cPanel Admin to enter cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, you will need to click and enter SSL TLS Status section. And in this page, you will come across all the website domains set up in GoDaddy. Click the checkbox and select the website domain, for which you want to activate the free Auto SSL. Next, scroll to the top and click Run Auto SSL button. And once the Auto SSL check has been completed, you can refresh your website and confirm the free Auto SSL has been activated in GoDaddy. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.